Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful and new design ideas like crochet food pattern and crochet amigurumi with vegetables and mushrooms and beautiful pizza decoration as a kitchen plate toy decoration. Creating a crochet pizza pattern can be a fun and creative project. Here are a basic outline to get you started. Material: words, wheat, yarn in various colors for the crust and sauce, cheesy and topping, and crochet hook size for your yarn, and Fiberfill stuffing, yarn needle, and sepia is or black yarn for eyes optional. Different, and let us create a small circle shape in red or tomato colored yarn, and different letters and attractive beautiful ideas. Crochet your house to achieve the desired size for your pizza, and create a layer of cheesy by crocheting a flat and different regular shape in light yellow or white yarn. Create various toppings like